Hey everyone, Happy Dude here, and today we're gonna take out the door panel on a Volkswagen Jetta from 2008. It's not that hard. First thing you do, you lower the window. So on the bottom we have three Torxes. Here is one, here and right there. Then there's also one here. And right here is nothing. And then the next step is to take out this panel right here. So take a plastic tool, put it between here, lift it up, and then take both your hands and start pulling on the edge because it is in there very tight. On the other side it's the same, only you pull this little plastic out. And then we have a torque right in there. And I think, yeah, right there also. Then take out these clips by pressing this. You just press this and then pull very hard. And this one is with a button also. Just press this in. And then we have two big torques right here. Don't forget this one. It's very easy to forget this torque. And then we start pulling on the bottom. Once every plastic plug is loose, we can simply lift the door panel up in that direction. Once you get it out, you simply unhook this. This is for the door handle. And then we have some electric plugs. 1, 2 for the speaker, and one at the bottom right there, the blue one. And that's it. If you have some plastic plugs that are still in the door frame, take some pliers and pull them out carefully. It's best to do this in summer. In the winter you have a chance of a lot of plastic breaking. And then you can slide them back into the plastic door panel. So what can we do here now that the plastic door panel is off? Well, you can replace the bass speaker, but you will have to drill it out, unfortunately. You can replace the motor for the electric windows. If you want to change or work on the electronic mechanism for the door lock, I have some bad news. You can't do that here because this car has a metal panel in front of the window and the mechanism. So if you want to do that, you will have to take off the outer door panel, and that's a bigger job. Then you will have to take out these rubber, take all the bolts out. Then there are also some bolts right here, and also I believe on the inside, I'm not sure. And then you will have to have a second person to hold it, because if it falls off you will have some damage to that. So to put the door panel back on, first make sure all the electric plugs are back plugged in. These two go right here, and then for the door handle mechanism, hold it like this and then slide that back into here. Okay, this is how it's supposed to look. I needed both my hands. So you pull on this metal hook so you have some room, and then you can slide in this piece, the plastic round piece, in here, and then you can click over this edge, and now you can put the hook back into this hole. So this is how it's supposed to look. Then you slide the panel back over the edge and push it on. If it's not right, it will not slide in. Then make sure that you have the cables right here. And now you can pop the panel back on. Make sure the plastic pins are aligned so you don't break them. And now just all the Torxes and you're done. Okay, all Torxes are back in. Now if this handle pops out, it goes back in like this. Okay, and now we can pop this back right in, and then we are done. Popping it back in is way easier than popping it out. Okay guys, if you like the video, please give it a like and maybe subscribe for more, and you all have a nice day. Bye.